Sometimes you just don't appreciate the size.
I
Looks
was
fun.
just thinking that.
Yeah,
They're
it's pretty
giant.
remarkable.
I said at noon, I was like, I would love to go tuna fishing at some point. Like,
Yeah?
I go striped bass fishing, and you're pretty excited if you get, I mean, obviously nothing's in the hundreds of pounds
Right,
there.
right.
I mean, 400 pounds.
It's a whole different game.
It's a very different experience.
Plus, it's delicious. We've got some storms out there.
Okay.
Most of them are across northern Maine right now, so it depends on your location what the situation is. That storm I thought might be severe. They just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for it. It doesn't look crazy to me, but there could be some hail with it here. This is radar indicated hail size 1 inch. 1 inch is pretty big hail. I'd be surprised if we have it in that kind of size, but that's what the radar is indicating. That's what the warning is indicating here. Hancock, Washington County, obviously, drifting off to the south and east. And we do have another warning. I just popped over it. It's way north on Aroostook County. It just popped up. Meanwhile, these showers and storms in the mountains have been dying down across northern New Hampshire and into the western mountains here. These showers and storms coming out of New Hampshire also don't look that strong. Sometimes, though, they will flare up when they meet that onshore flow. See that right there? That's why Sebago Lake is a really popular spot for storms to just kind of blow up out of nowhere. So we'll keep an eye on these as they drift eastward over the next few hours. The small scale model is not overly concerned about how many storms we're going to see here this afternoon. There will be some, and a few of them could be severe. It really blows up a big chunk there over southern Maine. We'll keep an eye. That could be that Sebago Lake cell that I was just talking about. And then it's offshore by about 7 or 8 tonight, and temperatures are generally in the 60s overnight tonight. It's pretty mild throughout the evening as dew points do try to drop a bit. And that front is to our south tomorrow, but it's not that far away. And so we get a lot of cloud cover around through the day, and then eventually some showers in the afternoon over southern Maine. The exact cutoff of these showers is a little bit tricky because the difference between this and this is big, right? There's a lot of people in there, and the rainfall rates will be a lot different. But I think Thursday afternoon, Thursday night into early Friday, our best chance of rain will be over southern coastal Maine, southern Maine, and then the mid-coast. And you'll see that represented in the European model's projection of the rainfall, where we've got some really heavy stuff down across parts of southern New England, but then it just kind of skims offshore here. But these are pretty big numbers. If you look at the scale, this is 1 inch to 1.5 inches here that we're just missing. So York County could see some pretty consistent rain, and even Portland, I'd say, has the chance to end up with a 1/2 inch or more of rain Thursday afternoon and into Thursday night. The good news is we all clear out in time for the weekend, which looks just as good as it did on Monday. That's how we want to do it. A lot of sun, upper 70s on Saturday, low to mid 80s on Sunday, so it is a bit warmer there. I did pop a thunderstorm into Monday. I'm not overly concerned about that, but it looks just hot enough and just sticky enough that we could see some pop-up stuff nice on Tuesday, and then maybe some thunderstorms on Wednesday. That'll be the end of that ridge, but that ridge basically protects us from Saturday, in most cases, till Wednesday afternoon. So we get a good 5 days basically out of that ridge of high pressure, which is great to do as you go into August. It's a good time to get one of those.
Yeah, hold on to some warmer weather, but not baking.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
just appropriate.
Yep.
No, thank you.
All right, Keith, thank you.